Hi, Christoph from Cool Source Tech here, and today we'll be looking at the IKKI 68, a budget mechanical keyboard from Wuque Studio. The board comes in a dark grey padded storage case that many high-end boards do not even offer. Inside, you get your aluminum plate, Hotswap PCB, packets with screws, and other materials needed for the build. It also comes with a braided coil cable, not the same quality as a custom-made cable, but a welcome addition to a budget kit. First off in the build, I'll be installing the magnetic badge and 4 rubber bump-on feet. This kit does not come with stabilizers, so I chose to purchase the OA stabilizer set from Wuque to go along with the board, and I must say, when modded, they sound and feel amazing. I did the usual mod of Krytox 205G0 on the housings and Dialectric grease on the stems. A silicone pad is sandwiched in between the aluminum plate and PCB. For switches, I'll be using an old reliable from the Linear gang, the Durock Poms, lubed with Krytox 205G0 and spring bag lubed with GPL 105. One of the standout features on this board is allowing for a Hotswap PCB to have the option of many different layouts, from ISO layout to split spacebar, split backspace, split left and right shift, and even stepped caps lock. This layout variety is normally only seen in soldered PCBs on high-end boards. On the PCB, above the arrow cluster, there is a place for LED light, and you can put a blocker to create a pattern of your choosing. I went ahead with the Wuque logo, but the kit comes with a blank sheet for you to make your own design. The IKKI 68 uses a gasket mounting style. It gives you a choice between a silicone and pour-on gaskets, and I chose the silicone, me personally wanting a more muted and stiffer feel. But there's a small twist. The gasket pads go on these gasket chips that are removable, so you can choose where to put your gaskets, giving you the ability to either have a lot of support or less. This opened the build to dozens of possibilities to fine-tune the sound of your board to your taste. The kit also provides multiple silicone pads to be added to the case to help with the sound. To finish the assembly, we'll be using 10 screws to hold the board together. We'll mention to not over tighten the screws because the case can crack and the screws may strip. So, the EKKI is a banger with what it provides. Equipped with so much value that the price tag of 120 US is a steal of a deal. In a space with NK65, GMMK Pro, KBD67 Lite, the customizability and layout possibilities, sound and feel of this board is a punch above the rest, and I cannot stop recommending this for the new people in the space or even veteran keyboarders. As of posting today, Round 1 extras are still available on the Canon Keys website. Round 2 is currently in production, and with a huge demand we can expect a Round 3 in the coming months, showcasing more vibrant colorways. Thank you for coming. Your viewership, likes, and subscription goes a long way in supporting my channel. We'd like to wish you all the best for the new year in whatever endeavors you guys are engaging in. Thanks again, and take care.